Every day, State Bank of Pakistan and its subsidiary SBB Banking Service Corporation receives bundles of cases with hundreds of paper documents for regulatory approvals. These volumes are preserved in multiple copies by every stakeholder, from commercial entities to banks and from banks to SBP. This bulk requires extensive logistics services, which has substantial cost, inherent delays and handling overheads. In order to bring efficiency and transparency in the process and to promote ease of doing business in the country, State Bank of Pakistan, under its Knowledge Management Program of Vision 2020, strategized to develop a centralized online platform to prepare, submit and process the cases. In its Phase 1, the digitalization of cases for foreign exchange was undertaken. The nature of cases ranges from approvals for inward and outward remittance, foreign investment, foreign loans, government subsidies, acknowledgement of agreements, and international trade. The system has been made simple, standardized, and secure for the users. A front-end portal protected by transport layer security and two-factor authentication provides a ubiquitous access to all participants of the system. A simple three-step process lets authorized dealer fill up web forms, attach required documents, and submit the case. Every case is assigned a unique number. The system at the back end assigns case requests to a dealing officer based on round-robin algorithm. After due diligence, the case is processed as per applicable laws, rules, and regulations. After processing the case internally, a decision letter is generated by the system and is sent to the bank. The bank can download approval letter from the same portal having a digital signature of SBP. In order to apprise stakeholders about the progress of the case, system-generated emails are sent to the banker and to the requesting commercial entity. The commercial entities have also been provided visibility through State Bank's website. Enterprise Content Management Engine stores these cases and all related documents, making a case file for every request with ability to search contents. This initiative will increase efficiency and transparency and will promote ease of doing business in the country. It will also result in cost saving from paper reduction, logistics, and administrative efforts to manage voluminous papers. The system provides workload management, sharing, and reusing of contents in digital form across different departments and a context-based search to the users. This is the start of a new journey, with first generation of system meeting majority of the requirements of the industry and promoting ease of doing business in the country. In future, the system will be enhanced to include other regulatory departments. Now, the banks in Pakistan, in collaboration with SBP, have also developed online portals for their clients, resulting into end-to-end digitalization of banks' interaction with State Bank and business community, creating a digital ecosystem for the benefit of all. This new digital ecosystem is a contributory effort made possible by a team of State Bank of Pakistan, SBP Banking Services Corporation, and our banking community.